Hello students of class 7th, myself Jigna Patel from Saraswat International Academy. Today I am going to teach you Social Science chapter number 1, Two Big States part 4. Students, in part 1 and 2 we have completed our explanation. In part 3 we have written our notes of choose the correct alternative from those given below each question. Question 1b was fill in the blanks. Question 2a was write true or false. And question 2b match the following. Students, today we are going to write from question number 3, that is answer the following questions in one or two sentences each. First one, how did Rajyavardhan die? Question mark. Answer, Rajyavardhan was killed treacherously by God King Shashank. Full stop. Question number 2, who had imprisoned Rajyashri? Question mark. Answer, King of Malwa hyphen Devgupta, comma, had imprisoned Rajyashri. Full stop. Question number 3. Whom did Harshvardhan think of freeing after ascending the throne? Question mark. Answer, after ascending the throne, he decided to free his imprisoned sister, comma, Rajyashri. Full stop. Question number 4. Who defeated Harshvardhan in a battle? Question mark. Answer, Chalukya king Pulkeshi II of South India defeated Harshvardhan in a battle. Full stop. Question number 5. What was Harshvardhan's daily routine? Question mark. Answer, Harshvardhan divided his daily routine into 3 parts hyphen. The first was for administrative purposes, while the other 2 parts were devoted to public welfare and religious activities. Full stop. Question number 6. Which deeds of public welfare had Harshvardhan done? Answer, Harshvardhan had constructed rest houses, comma, stepwells, comma, wells, comma, lakes, comma, hermitages, comma, monasteries, comma, etc. for public welfare. Full stop. He also put a ban on killing of living creatures. Full stop. Question number 7. Which compositions of great poet Banbhatta are considered unique in Sanskrit literature? Question mark. Answer, 2 compositions of Banbhatta, comma, that is inverted comma Kadambari inverted comma close and inverted comma Harshacharit inverted comma close are considered unique in Sanskrit literature. Question number 8. Name the plays written by Emperor Harshvardhan. Full stop. Answer, Harshvardhan was a writer and wrote 3 plays inverted comma Nagananda inverted comma close comma again inverted comma Ratnavali inverted comma close and inverted comma Priyadarshika inverted comma close full stop. Question number 9. Which university bracket educational center bracket close was made world famous by Harshvardhan? Question mark. Answer, Nalanda Vidyapith was made famous worldwide by Harshvardhan. Full stop. Question number 10. What special arrangement was made by Harshvardhan for the maintenance of Nalanda University? Question mark. Answer, Harshvardhan has donated 100 villages of his state for the maintenance of Nalanda Vidyapit. Full stop. Question number 11. Which different ashes were recommended to be used as medicine by the alchemist Naga Arjun? Question mark. Answer. Alchemist Naga Arjun had recommended the ashes slash concentrates of iron, white arsenic and mercury to be used as medicine. Full stop. Question number 12. Which evil customs prevailed among the people during the reign of Harshvardhan? Question mark. Answer. The custom of inverted comma sati, inverted comma close comma, child marriage and polygamy had started by them. Full stop. Question number 13. By which games and sports did people entertain themselves in the period of Harshvardhan? Question mark. Answer. In the period of Harshvardhan, people entertained themselves with games like chess and games of dice. Full stop. Question number 14. Who entertained people by wandering about from village to village in the period of Harshvardhan? Question mark. Answer. In the period of Harshvardhan, acrobats and conjurers wandered about in villages and entertained people. Full stop. Question number 15. What were the chief occupations of the people in the period of Harshvardhan? Question mark. Answer. The chief occupations of people in the period of Harshvardhan were agriculture and animal husbandry. Question number 16. What was the special convenience made by Harshvardhan for trade and transportation of goods or commodities? Question mark. Answer. For trade and for the transit of goods and commodities, Harshvardhan had made a direct highway from Patliputra to Bhruguha Kutch, presently Bharuch, bracket close, port, full stop. Question number 17. Which Chinese traveller had come to India during Harshvardhan's reign? Question mark. Answer. In the period of Harshvardhan, the Chinese traveller Huan Zhang had come to India. Full stop. Question number 18. Why did the state of Kannauj could not extend beyond Narmada? Question mark. Answer. There was a great battle between the king of Kannauj and the king of Vatapi at Narmada. Full stop. In that battle, Harshvardhan was defeated. Therefore, the state of Kannauj could not extend beyond Narmada. Full stop. Question number 19. Which caves were constructed during the reign of Pulkeshi II? Question mark. Answer. During the period of Pulkeshi II's reign, the caves of Vatapi and Dharapuri were constructed. Full stop. Question number 20. When did Pulkeshi II die? Question mark. How? Question mark. Answer. Pulkeshi II died while fighting in the battle against Pallav king of Kanchipuram in 642 AD. Full stop. Question number 21. In which different things was Harshvardhan better than Pulkeshi II? Question mark. Answer. Harshvardhan was better than Pulkeshi II in his state administration, in the public welfare deeds, in the pursuit of religion, comma, in the generosity of donating and in his interest in education and literature. Full stop. Question number 22. Why did Yun Sang carry books, comma, remnants slash ruins and idols, bracket statues, with him to China? Question mark. Answer. Yun Sang wanted to study Buddha religion deeply. Full stop. Therefore, comma, when he returned to China, comma, he carried with him some books of Buddha religion, comma, remnants of Lord Buddha and idols, bracket statues, bracket close, of Lord Buddha along with him from India. Full stop. Question number 23. Why could Harsha not defeat Pulkeshi II? Question mark. Answer. Pulkeshi II was a powerful king. Full stop. He was a very brave warrior. Full stop. He had won many battles. Full stop. So, Harsha could not defeat Pulkeshi II. Full stop. Question number 25. What has Yun Sang noted in his diary about the state of Harshvardhan? Question mark. Answer. Yun Sang has noted in his diary about the statue of Harshvardhan that there were 100 Buddha hermitages in his state. Full stop. The public life was simple, comma, straight, hyphen forward, comma, happy, comma, having good conduct, and was based on justice and truth. Full stop. Treachery or fraudulent assurances were considered sin. Full stop. Question number 25. Pulkeshi II was fond of art. Full stop. How can it be said? Question mark. Answer. In the period of Pulkeshi II, comma, the caves of Vatapi, bracket, Badami, bracket close, and Dharapuri were constructed. Full stop. In that time, comma, the world widely known paintings of the Ajanta caves were prepared. Full stop. Thus, comma, we can say that Pulkeshi II was fond of art. So students, here we end for this question number 3. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences each. In the next session, we are going to write answer the following questions in brief and answer the following questions in 7 to 8 sentences. Students, I hope you all are doing this work at home and stay home, stay safe. Thank you students. Goodbye.